If you're a mouse out after dark, you better watch the skies. Owls hunt like ninjas, almost invisible, totally silent. Here's how they do it. Owls don't just see in the dark, they own it. Their eyes are so sensitive, they can spot the tiniest twitch from way up high even when it's pitch black. And get this, their eyes aren't balls but tubes giving them laser focus on their prey. But their real superpower? It's all about the silence. Owl wings have special fringes that break up air, so when they swoop down, even a mouse can't hear a thing. No rustle, no whoosh, just pure ghostly glide. Now imagine this in slow motion. An owl locks onto its target, folds its wings, and dives. Those killer talons shoot out, grabbing dinner before the prey even knows what hit it. All you hear is nothing. But wait, owls don't just use their eyes. Their faces work like satellite dishes, funneling sound straight to their ears. They can pinpoint a squeak beneath leaves, snow, or even underground. Talk about surround sound. So next time you hear a hoot at night, remember, there's a master hunter out there, gliding through the darkness, making nature's ultimate sneak attack. Silent, precise, and utterly unstoppable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature secrets, served in slow motion.